Welcome. You have just been onboarded to your new workplace. Let us learn how to use the HRM portal to register as a new user and also how to recover if you have forgotten your password. Once you are in the login page of the HRM portal, click on the new user link. Ensure that the employee ID and password fields are blank, or else you will get a warning. Enter your employee ID in the field given here and click on the Send button. You will receive a mail in your registered email ID to reset your password. Follow the link on the Reset Password email and enter a new password for your employee ID. Great! You have successfully activated your login and created a password for yourself. To reset your forgotten password, click on the Forgot Password link in the login page, enter your employee ID and click on Send. You will receive a link in your registered email ID. Follow the link on the Reset Password email and enter a new password for your employee ID. And that's it. We just went through the process of registering as a new user in the HRMS and reset a forgotten password. Go ahead and try it out yourself.